Mending Wall by Robert Frost. The speaker is more logical and reasonable, and he has a good sense of humor. When the stones and barrier fall down due to rain and wind, he feels that the neighbor looks like a savage from the old stone era. When he silently carries the stones and places them on the wall. For speaker's repeated queries, the neighbors replied, "Good fences make good neighbors." The speaker wants to be in the perfect harmony with all human beings and does not want any barriers at all. That is the reason he says that even nature does not want barriers and keep destroying them every time they repair the wall. Then, hello everyone. This class we are going to learn about the poem Mending the Wall, written by Robert Frost. Robert Frost was a famous American poet. He was born on 26 March 1874 in California. His work first published in England, then later it published in America. He is considered as the one of the greatest figure in American literature. This poem Mending Wall, written by Robert Frost, and this poet, the two men are meeting on terms of civility and neighborliness to build a barrier between them. They do so out of tradition and out of habit. This poem highlights three themes. They are barrier, building, the segregation of neighboring house, the doomed nature and our persistence in this activity. Look at the picture. The two persons are mending the wall. The poet says that there are two types of people, namely wall builders and wall breakers. The speaker says that he does not need a wall because there are no cows to be contained. And in this poem, the line "something there is that does not love a wall" repeated twice. There should be some intent and value in wall breaking, because wall building is social both in the sense of societal and sociable. The speaker himself goes to the wall at any time of the year to mend the damage done by the hunters. The speaker does not require a wall as there are no cows. We can say that figuratively rules and laws are walls, whereas justice is the process of wall mending. It can also be said as a civil game. Through it, the speaker can interact with his neighbor. This is a very brief summary of the poem Mending Wall. Learn closely.